English to Success. Your path to success.
Emma is 10 years old. She has long, wavy brown hair and bright green eyes. She is a happy and curious girl. Emma lives with her parents in a small town. Her grandmother, Grandma Rose, lives in a big city. Emma loves Grandma Rose very much. One day, Emma's mother says, "Emma, you can visit Grandma Rose this summer." Emma claps her hands. "Really? That is wonderful," she says. Her mother nods. "Yes, you will take the bus to the city. Grandma Rose will meet you at the station." Emma is very excited. She starts to make a list. Emma needs to pack her bag. She takes her pink suitcase. She puts her clothes inside. She packs her favorite red t-shirt, blue jeans, and a yellow dress. "I need my toothbrush and my hairbrush," she says. She puts them in her bag. Then she packs a book. It is her favorite book. The book has stories about animals. Emma's mother smiles. "You are ready," she says. Emma nods. She feels happy. "I am ready for my big trip," she says. The next day, Emma and her father go to the bus station. Her father says, "Let's buy the ticket." They go to the ticket counter. "One ticket to the city, please," Emma's father says. The man gives him a ticket. "The bus leaves at 10 a.m., the man says. Emma looks at the clock. It is 9:30 a.m. "We have time," she says. Her father smiles. "Yes, let's sit and wait." Emma holds her ticket. She feels excited. The clock says 9:55 a.m. Emma and her father stand near the bus. "Have a good trip, Emma," her father says. Emma hugs her father. "Thank you, Dad." She walks to the bus, but then she stops. She looks in her bag. "Oh no, my ticket," Emma says. She looks in her pockets. The ticket is not there. "Dad, I lost my ticket." Her father looks worried. "Let's look for it." They look on the bench. They look under the bench. But they do not find the ticket. The bus driver says, "The bus is leaving now." Emma feels sad. What can I do? Emma's father talks to the bus driver. "Can she still go? I can call her grandmother." The bus driver shakes his head. "She needs a ticket." Emma feels tears in her eyes. She wants to see Grandma Rose. She wants to go on her big trip. Then, a woman walks toward them. She is wearing a blue dress and a hat. She holds something in her hand. "Excuse me," she says. "Is this your ticket?" Emma looks at it. "Yes, that is my ticket." The woman smiles. "I found it on the ground near the ticket counter." Emma takes the ticket. "Thank you so much." She turns to her father. "I can go now." Her father hugs her. "Yes, you can. Have a great trip, Emma." Emma runs to the bus. The driver smiles. "You found your ticket. That's good. Get on, little traveler." Emma climbs onto the bus. She finds a seat by the window. The bus starts moving. She waves at her father. Her heart feels light and happy. She is on her way. The ride is long, but Emma enjoys looking out the window. She sees trees, rivers, and big buildings as the bus moves closer to the city. She eats a small sandwich her mother packed for her. She drinks some juice. Then she opens her book and starts reading. After some time, Emma feels sleepy. She closes her eyes. When she wakes up, the bus is stopping. She looks out the window. The city is big and bright. People are walking fast. There are tall buildings everywhere. The bus stops at the station. Emma takes her bag and walks down the steps. She looks around. Where is Grandma Rose? Then she sees her. Grandma Rose is standing near a bench. She is wearing a yellow coat and a big smile. Emma! She calls. Emma runs to her and hugs her tight. Grandma, I'm so happy to see you. Grandma Rose laughs. Welcome to the city, my dear. We have many fun things to do. Emma holds her grandmother's hand. She feels warm and happy. Her big trip has just begun. Emma and Grandma Rose take a taxi to her apartment. It is on the 10th floor of a tall building. Emma looks out the window and sees the whole city below. Wow! The city is so big, she says. The next morning, Grandma Rose takes Emma to the park. There are big fountains, green trees, and children playing. Emma makes a new friend, Lily. They play on the swings and share stories. After the park, Grandma Rose takes Emma to a bakery. Would you like a cupcake? Grandma Rose asks. Yes, please, Emma says, choosing a pink cupcake with sprinkles. In the evening, they visit a museum. Emma sees dinosaur bones and old paintings. This is amazing, she says. She learns new things about history and art. The days pass quickly. Emma visits the zoo, a big library, and a toy store. She eats ice cream by the river and watches boats go by. She takes many pictures to show her parents. One day, Grandma Rose and Emma go to a big shopping mall. Emma picks a small gift for her mother, a pretty blue scarf. Mom will love this, Emma says happily. One evening, there is a street fair. Emma rides a merry-go-round and eats cotton candy. She watches a man make balloon animals. He gives her a red balloon dog. Thank you, Emma says. On her last night, Grandma Rose makes a special dinner. You have been a wonderful guest, she says. Emma smiles. And you are the best grandma. On the last day, Grandma Rose takes Emma to a tall tower. They go to the top and look at the whole city. I will never forget this trip, Emma says. The next morning, Emma packs her suitcase. She hugs Grandma Rose. Thank you for everything. At the bus station, Emma waves goodbye. The bus starts moving. Emma feels happy. She had a great adventure. She cannot wait to tell her parents everything. As she looks out the window, she smiles. This was the best trip ever, she says to herself.